Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shisak Tombo. Aji apni khan lage te bishi important topic te video anishe, that is how to complete your paper on time during your examination. Apni khan jodi mola channel te new thakshikule morom para like, share or subscribe kuri dibi aru bell icon ke press kurole na power dibi so that kitabi moi iku videos mola channel te upload kurishikule to apni khan to itula notification paina apni khan mola video sabo paribo. So without further delay, let's continue with the video. As we look at the exam pattern, we have only 3 hours in the exam, and within 3 hours we need to complete the whole papers. Our mostly students, they work so hard throughout the year to attempt this exam and to finish it within 3 hours. But there are students who are very intelligent in their studies, who are very active and good in memorizing, who are very good in understanding, but when it comes to exam, they are not able to attempt all the papers and they regret it after exams gets over. Especially ajila video to sub students karne ase, kunba students khan to bishi study te active thakibo but they are not good in exam. Kunba students khan to tahan to memorization power be bishi bhal thake, tahan la to IQ level be bishi bhal thake, hole bi tahan kita exam hall te aigina itu 3 hours la exam dibole bhoy, tahan to exam laga question paper khan saigina tahan confusions khan thake aru tahan bhal para dibo na parina, tahan regret kore. So in this video, I have come up with smart strategy that will help you to manage time effectively in the examination hall. So the tip number 1 that I would like to mention in this video is read the instructions very carefully. It might be very silly or small thing but very critical one. Apni khan karne itu read the instructions carefully to koatam de apni khan karne bishi ekta silly point thaiko pare but itu to bishi important ase, especially to the students chutu bara dangor kiman bi itu video saise apni khan kita bi examination hall de jatam de apni khan la invigilator bra apni ke question aro answer laga booklet to di thake. So the moment apni to question aro answer la booklet paishukre to spend first 15 minutes to read the instruction that is there in the question paper, and also do a quick scan of the entire question paper so that you'll get an idea about the kind of questions that come in your paper. Apni khan ke kitabi question paper de atam de apni khan do bhal para itu instructions khan do puribi aru itu instructions khan pura pichide apni khan first para last tok apni la question papers te iku mistakes ase na nai, iku errors khan ase na nai, bhal para sabi aru itu sa pichide do apni attempt kuribi. Aru apni khan ke iku doubts thakshile do apni khan do nila invigilator kun bi teacher apni khan laga room te aina se apni tai ke hudibo pare. So for example, apni khan lage te inga question paper dishukle do apni khan bhal para itu instructions khan to purlobi aru kiman ta section ase, kiman ta questions khan ase itu khan bi quick scan kurlobi apni khan la time bachabo karne aru inga hoi jeshukle do apni do attempt kuribi. Tip number 2 is track time since beginning. Itula matlab to ki ase kole do apni khan do first para he every question karne aru every section karne particular time limit rakha. Itu to inga ko ase. So bishi students tahan la beginning stage te do tahan bhabe that tahan lote enough time ase aru tahan do within time de khatam kuro parbo. Itu karne tahan to bishi relax thake aru tahan likha bi bishi slow pra likhe aru pura bi bishi slow pra pure aru tahan likha dam dibe bishi beautify bishi sundor pra likhole start kore aru as a result tahan laga end de tahan laga handwriting bi bishi letra hoi jay aru tahan time de exam khatam kurole na pare because time to tahan lote bishi komti hoi jay. That's why it's very important that apni khan first para he itu particular question karne apni khan time limit rakhibi aru particular section karne bi inga time limit rakhina apni khan time de khatam kuribi aru apni khan jodi itu tip number 2 do follow kurishikole do apni khan time de khatam kuro parbo. Tip number 3 is attend the questions orderly. The most important and interesting thing you need to decide is in what order you want to attempt the questions. Apni khan to kun order de questions khan do attempt kurobole mon ase. So after the quick scan of your question papers, apni khan to already idea paina thakibo that kiman ta questions to apni jane aru kiman ta questions to apni na jane. Suppose apni to 80% of the questions to already jane gole do apni to serially jabor pare. For example, question number 1 bra question number 2 and so on. So apni continuation jabo parbo. In case if you feel that you don't know the answer to most of the questions, itu time to do you can choose questions which you know the answers. Apni kun question laga answer to jane apni to question laga answer e first likhibi because it will build your confidence more and then you can go to the questions which you don't know fully, and that will be the best way to complete the questions on time. Tip number 4 is read and check the questions properly. So kitabi apni correct answers likhole mon ase gole to it is very important that you read the questions properly. Since we are talking about managing times, apni khan to hurry na thakibi apni khan lai to question paper to khatam koribo karne. Instead, try to read the questions properly at least twice. Apni khan itu question to bhal ba puribi apni khan lagai itu question pura tamte if there is any changes that you find, underline it aru to underline kurna itu laga question to ki kaise apni khan bujibole try koribi. For example, you can see in question number 3 that which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology. So apni ete odd term ekta dikhibo pare does not follow, right? So apni khan itu term nishina to hodai underline maribi because apni khan do itu bhal bara najani shukle to apni do itu jate do answer do wrong likhibo. Therefore, reading the questions correctly and interpreting the questions correctly is very important. The next tip that I would like to mention here is keep all the things ready that is required during your exam. For example, pencil, eraser, sketch, ruler, sharpener, etc. Itu khan saman khan do apni khan advance praye ready kurna rakhibi. Nohile during your exams apni ke suppose sharpener lagi jai shukle do you need to take the help of your friends aru itu time de apni la time to lose hoi jabo, and as a result you won't get enough time to answers all the questions. Therefore, it is very important that you keep things all ready before entering the examination hall. Also, make sure that you always carry some spare pens. Tip number 6 is take questions. The moment apni do particular question la answer likhile do hodai apni do pencil loikina itu question ke tick mark koribi. Apni pencil prefer koribi because in case apni ke musabo mon ase kole do apni musabo parbo. For example, apni khan screen te dikhi thakibo there are 15 questions. So if you know question number 1, apni question number 1 ke pencil para tick koribi. If you know question number 2, you carry on with the same process. Apni jodi question number 3 na jani shikole do you don't tick it, and as you finish up the question you will know that apni kiman ta question attempt korise aru kiman ta question attempt kora nai, and the one which you have not ticked you can come directly and attempt that question, and this is how it will help you in managing your time. Tip number 7 is ignore the surroundings. Sometimes it may happen that kita apni answers likhi thaga tamte kunba manu bahar pra aina apni la invigilator juntu apni ke sai se tai lote kotha kuribole start hoi jai. Nohile bi kitaba to dosra room pra dosra teacher do aina apni la sir lote kotha kuribole start hoi jai, or within your own room apni la kunba friends khan to extra sheet mangibole start hoi jai. Itu time de do apni to itu surroundings ke to focus karo na lage. You should ignore the surroundings because the moment you get focused into the surroundings you will get distracted, and the moment you get distracted you will start wasting your time. So it is very important that apni la surroundings te ki jaise apni to tate focus nokri kina apni do apni laga writing te focus kuru. Tip number 8 is don't spend too much time on what you know. When you are attempting those questions which you know, don't spend more time on that questions. Write only how much it is told to write. Apni khan kitabi apni jani thaka answers likhi thaki shukle do don't write too much. Apni khan ke kiman likhibo di ase aru apni khan ke kiman marks lagai to dikhina ase according to the marks apni do likhibi. For example, apni te dikhibo pare that in question number 3 this question carries 3 marks. To apni 3 marks la question te apni 5 marks laga likhi shukle bi apni ke 3 marks se dibo. Balibe apni bishi likhi shukle do there will be many errors aru bishi mistake thaka karne apni 3 marks la bi apni full na pabo. Therefore, it is very important that apni khan ke itu particular question laga kiman marks te udise inka he apni bi answer kuribi. Tip number 9 is avoid maximum bio breaks. So apni ekbar examination hall bhitor de jai shukle do you get only 3 hours to complete your paper. Aru within 3 hours you need to complete the whole paper. So it is very important that you utilize the 3 hours at its maximum. Apni khan ke ekta ma advices dibo mon ase that whenever you are going for an exam apni khan paratok pani to kom diye khabi nohile to apni khan middle te bio break lobo lagibo, and that leads to waste of time. So try not to waste your time because apni lode 3 hours ekla thake. Tip number 10 is taking extra sheets in advance. Kitabi mohan answers kan likhile do mohan ke answer script to lagi jai. So it is good that you inform your invigilator 2 to 3 minutes ahead so that he or she will get enough time to give you the extra sheet aru apni la time bhi bachi jai. So always ask for an extra sheet in advance. The next tip for you is that rescan all the questions at the end. That is once apni likhina khatam hoise gole do apni do bhal para apni la question paper ke cross check koribi whether you have missed out any questions or not aru itu bichide apni do apni la answer script to apni la invigilator ke di dibi. The last and final tip that I want to bring in this video is complete your answers before 30 minutes of your 3 hours. Itula matlab to ki ase gole do apni kiman bi questions khan attempt kuri ase apni para tok 2.5 hours bitor de khatam kuribole try koribi aru apni lode itu half hour bacha to you can make use of the time in cross checking your answers aru apni laga answers te eku mistakes thakile apni tate bi sabo paribo aru itu para to apni laga scoring kurule bishi help kuribo. So from all these tips moi believe kuri ase that apni tu tips ke use kurina apni laga exam te bhal para score kuribo. So with this, I want to end my video. Thank you and keep watching Shisak Tombo.